guys, getting straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to take the concealer base of my choice and put that all over my eyelids, and I'm going to blend that out using patting motions. Okay, so to start, we're going into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and we're going to go purple, pink, yellow. All from the same palette. We're going to go in our regular semi-circle fashion, and then we're going to work our way up. Alright, now I'm going in with the pink color, and I kind of overlap the pink over the purple a little bit just so that the edges will blend easier. And that's all we're doing now. We're just going in with some pink and blending out the edges of the purple. Alright, so keep blending the pink until it looks something like that, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the yellow and do the exact same thing. Alright, so doing the exact same thing with the yellow, you'll know that the yellow and the pink are blended together when you get that orange in between the two. Juvia's Place Zulu palette, we're going to take that green color and we're going to put that for about 3/4 of the crease, and then we're going to take the shimmery pink shade and we're going to put that in the outer corner. Alright y'all, I'm sorry I was not in the frame. It's my fault, but I'm gonna just blame somebody else. That's not me. So now, as you can see, I did the 3/4 green, and then the last fourth I did pink. And now I'm just taking some black eyeliner, and I'm gonna just take that all the way out to the outer corner. I'm not gonna wing it today.